Hi, friends. Miss Pam here. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. I've got my special friend here, Mouse. Can you say hi to Mouse? Oh, did you know that there is a special day coming up next week, right? What is that special day? It's all about hearts and hugs. It's Valentine's Day, right? Well, guess what? I'm going to set Mouse right over here. I've got a special mailbox. And I want to look inside. Let's take a look. Mouse, do you want to look inside with me? Okay, let's open up the mailbox door. What's inside? Let me turn it around so you can see. Oh, it looks like some envelopes. I think these might be Valentines. Let's take them out. And let's see how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little Valentines were sent to my house. Let's open up the first one. The first one said, I love you from Mouse. Aw, Mouse, is this from you? Oh, you're the sweetest. I love that Valentine. I'm gonna set it aside. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little Valentines in my mailbox. The second one said, be mine from, who's this from? Fox, right? Oh, Fox, that is wonderful. Such a sweet Valentine. Let's count and see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little Valentines full of love. The third one said, you are sweet from Dove. Aw, Dove, that is so nice. I like that Valentine. Put that one over here. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3. 3 little Valentines just for me. Let's open this one up. It's going to be from Be My Honey from Bee. Oh, Bee always knows the sweetest things to say. That was a nice Valentine. Let's see, how many do we have left? 1, 2. 2 little Valentines mailed with care. The fifth one said, here's a hug from Bear. Bear hug. Oh, that's a good kind of hug, right? Very nice. Let's see. Oh, we only have one left. I wonder who it's from. Who do you think? Let's check. The last little Valentine from my friend Blue Jay. And this one says, Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, my friends. You know, one thing that we see around Valentine's Day is a lot of hearts. And we're going to make a heart too, not the paper kind. We're going to make a heart with our hands. So it goes like this. I put my hands together, right? And this is how I start. Curve my fingers right around, and I can make a heart. See you. Let's do it one more time. I put my hands together, and this is how I start. I curve my fingers right around, and I can make a heart. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Take care. Mel says bye, too.